Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am really excited today to be reviewing for you guys the Snader Ambient lighting system, right? It's the smart lighting system. And I wanted to really make this video for other YouTubers, other guys out there that's creating content that really want to take it to the next level and really enhance their video quality with better lighting. So we're going to get into it. One of the reasons why I wanted to get this lighting system was now is like really adding color to your video and your content makes it more interesting to watch, right? It gives it more pop, and it kind of is much better than that bright, harsh white light or LED light that you would ultimately get from a ring light. Not to mention the lighting that I used to use in my office was so big. It was like overpowering. It would make me feel really closed in rather. So I wanted to just, again, kind of like start minimizing things in my office, make it a little more appeasing, right? And aesthetically appealing. So when I come in here, I'm actually excited to just be in my element. And I love the ambientness of these lights, which is why I said I wanted some. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and unbox this unit. Now, I'm going to be honest with you guys. When I first got this, these lights, I got these for me, I don't know, maybe about, I was teaching, I don't know, let's just say a month ago, right? Because I was talking to him and just letting him know, like for Q3, I am going full throttle, getting back into my YouTube content and really focusing on content. But I didn't want to be bogged down and overpowered with this camera system, that camera system, this lighting, that lighting, all that. So I just wanted to make it more intimate and more cozy so I could connect with my viewers like you. So unboxing, the point is I've already unboxed this guy. So when he first got it for me, I just was excited to see how it works. So I just took it out the box, plugged it up. So I had a couple of broadcasts scheduled and seeing how it worked, but honestly, I didn't go through the instructions. I didn't go through anything. So I really didn't understand how to fully get all of the good perks with it. I just kind of plugged it up and the lights kept flashing. And I'm not gonna lie, it was driving me nuts, but it still had a cool little tone to it. But I wanted it on one setting and a continuous color of like maybe pink or purple, something like that, right? So needless to say, when I first opened it, I just turned it on and I did it all wrong. But when you're unboxing this, main thing is the box is just, you get all of your pieces and the styrofoam. So everything is secure, right? And it's I like that it's really small. It's really modern looking. And it's not, like I said, it's not like a big old light box and all of this stuff, which for me was just a little bit overwhelming. Now, the light bar itself, this has two light bars, right? Now, when I took this out last time, I just kind of took it out and plugged them up and they were like blinking, right? And I didn't take time to read the instructions. So you would get the lighting, you would get your adapter. These are your adhesive strips, right? If you're going to actually mount them or something. This is the mount that will go on back of the wall that will stick to the adhesive strip. You get two of those because you get two lights. And these are if you just want to mount them on a table or like stand them up. Now, I saw all these pieces. I'm glad I didn't throw them away because I had no idea what they were for, but I knew I needed them. So now that I know how to actually utilize these things, I'm going to show you guys exactly how it looks. I did it all wrong, guys. All right, if we could get it out of there. All right, so there's the box. Okay, so main thing you have here is, I may have taken it out. The remote, this is the remote. And you have a manual back there. I don't need the manual because I already took time to read it and then I already know what to do. So the main thing is your light bar. You're going to take them both and plug them up. So the object is to really like have these somewhere behind you. And I'm going to put them right behind my chair on my my table there. Now, the one thing I did notice is my chair is relatively a big chair, like it has a high back. So it doesn't give off that much light compared to if it was like a smaller computer chair or something like that. I tried swapping them out, but this chair is much more comfortable. So I just won't have that much light. Again, there's your remote. Here are your two stands. I'm not going to mount mine to a wall or anything, so I won't be utilizing the adhesive because I changed my office so much, guys, that I don't want anything to be permanent. And I don't really know exactly where I'm going to put my lights. But main thing I want you guys to be mindful of is a lot of people now, I don't really play music in my videos, but a lot of people do. And these lights actually have music mode where they'll correspond to the beat of your music when you turn them on, right? It's going to be able to sync directly to the music, and it's going to create like this dynamic, like a really cool lighting effect, right? I bet for those that's like gaming or those that's just doing broadcasts and like have music playing in the background, that would be a cool added benefit, right? But from what I have seen from me using them, the actual like performance of it was totally fine. Like the lights are nice and bright. I do like that. Only thing is I would consider some wireless ones, but don't necessarily want to deal with the charging, right? So that's one thing to be mindful of. But everything is really true to the definitions, the description. The color is nice, it's bright, it's vivid. I really, really like it. And not to mention, on those broadcasts, I really noticed a improvement in the quality of my video because it just was more vibrant. It kind of drew the viewers in more, right? Even when I would go and look at it, I was like, oh, that looks cute. Okay. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to plug these up. I'm going to plug mine. I should have brought an extension cord, but no worries. I'm just going to plug it up right over here. Okay, and then there we have light. So the other one I'm going to keep on the floor because I don't want it to be too much light in the video. But there you are. This is the blue. Again, like I said, there is your, hold on. Now it was just working a minute ago. Oh, wait a minute. I think it's something to deal with. There we go. I lose my video? Okay, no, I thought I lost my video. Okay, so you just really want to keep your remote kind of and don't have anything blocking it. And that was something I did earlier. I had like the frame or one of my books over there. I had my books like just blocking the frequency so it wouldn't change. But here you are. Here are your lights. Again, they look super cool, reflecting off of the wall. My wall is black, so it really makes the color look real true and real rich. Again, these are all the buttons. I like mine's on that purple tone. This is how it was changing when I was broadcasting. It was like, it was driving me nuts, but it wasn't bad. But this is the color I like because it's as close to pink as possible. And pink is my branding color. So if you can kind of see how it's reflecting on me, it kind of makes the back of my chair like really light up and really luminous. I have the window open, so you're not really going to get true to color if I put these behind my chair now. But it has like all these different settings. There's so much you can do. But the one cool thing that I found to be really awesome was the stand. Again, I had no idea what these were for, but you just stand it there and you mount it on the table. Like, how cool is that? I was like, I like it a lot. So the thing I was mentioning was I wanted to hide these. Like I didn't want the actual stand to show. So I had put a book in front of mine, but the book kind of minimized the lighting a little bit because the lighting had to go around the book. So just kind of keep that in mind. I'm going to be totally fine with these just sticking up on my table because they're black. My wall is black. It is what it is. It's lighting, right? So again, I really like the full effect, the after effect of how this looks when, you know, it's nice and dark, nice and cozy. I may get a smaller chair, not too sure. But for right now, even around this chair, it gives it a nice little luminous look, like right here and right here is super cool. So main thing, guys, if you are considering getting you some lighting, if you're considering enhancing your lighting, anything like that, I highly suggest these. They are a really great product. Not to mention they are not that expensive, right? Look up them on, the links are going to be in the description. It's a super easy, fast setup. The features, I like them, pretty impressive. If you're using the music, you know, all that, those buttons are down here. Not to mention, guys, one cool feature that I forgot to mention was it has an app. So you can actually, if you lose the remote control or whatever it is, you can still change your settings and be able to, you know, do whatever you need to do to your lighting right from your phone. So that would have been cool for me the other day because I actually did a broadcast and forgot to turn my lights on. And if I was sitting here, it would have been really cool to just go in my phone and be able to cut them on. And they would have just came on, right? So that would have been cool. That's a cool feature that I forgot to mention. So again, I want to thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to turn on your notifications. If you are, just turn on your notifications, period, so you know when I want to upload a new video. If you have a product that you would think would benefit my audience, you will want me to review the product, all you have to do is contact me with those details below, and I will get your product featured on my channel. Thanks for watching, guys. As always, anything's possible.